Our first time, write the time on your board. Let's start with this time. What is this time? Write it on your board, hold it up. This one right here, what time is it? Wow, very nice. Very nice. Hold it up. Julia, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. Give yourself a point if you got it. 2 o'clock. All right, here's the next one. Let's go with this time. What time is it? What time is it now? You all are working very nicely. Good job. What time is it? Ah, I see some check it again. Riley, check yours again. The shorthand is the hour hand, the hour hand, the hour hand. The shorthand is the hour hand. It tells the hour of the day. Lily, what time is it? Correct. What time did Lily say it is?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Please be sure you're listening and not talking. So 8 o'clock. Give yourself a point if you got it. 8 o'clock. Here we go. Let's do another one. Let's do this time. The long hand is the minute hand, the minute hand, the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. It takes the minutes away. I'm looking. Mackenzie, what time is it now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Wonderful. 3 o'clock. Be sure to give yourself a point. If you've gotten them, you're at 3 points. Here we go. Let's do another one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. The hands of the clock go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hands of the clock go round and round. All day long. We can change the words and do it all kinds of stuff. All right, Olivia, what time? Olivia, what time? Excuse me. I cannot hear Olivia because Rhett. Olivia, what time did you say?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Very nice. Let's do one more, and then we're going to do something else. So you should have 4 points. Let's try another one. I'm going to stump you, Olivia.
No, you're not. Those are not chickens. No.
Hands on the clock. Round and round. Round and round.
It's not matter.
Round the hands and round and round. All through the day. Some of you are too smart to be outsmarted. Too smart to be outsmarted. Joshua, what time is it?
It's not time. It's not 1 o'clock.
Ooh.
It's 12 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. Nice job. Well, all right. If you got all of those, you should have 5. Notice how our 5 went across, so we have a group of 5. Keep your points, erase your time, and we're going to do another thing. So the next thing we're going to do, I would like you to write the number that is missing. Here we go. The number that is missing. Are you ready? We'll start with something easy. What is missing? Don't tell me. Write it down. Write it down.
So easy. Yeah.
Write it down. Hold your board up. I'm going to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Class, what's the number missing? 2 is missing. 2 is missing. Here we go. Write the number that is missing.
2
2 numbers are missing. 2 numbers are missing this time. I'm going to count from 5, 4, 3. Oh, you can give yourself a point if you got the last one. 2.
Why do you want to waste your time?
Bend. Hold it up when you have it. We have 2 numbers missing now. The number before 9 and the number after 9. The number after 7, which is before 9, and the number after 9. Did you write your numbers down, Julia? I'm going to count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Class, count it with me. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. If you got that, give yourself 2 points. 2 points, 1 for each number. Let's do another one. Let's do, we're going to get really hard now. All right. Say the numbers, but don't tell me the blank. What goes in there? 24. 26. So what comes after 24? It's before 26. And what comes after 26? Mason, are you writing it down? I'm going to give you a Maddie. Are you writing the number? Erase that. You have an eraser? Erase it up. And you need to write the number. Wonderful. I see some really good thinkers. What family are we in?
20 family.
The 20 family. So that is a clue. We are in the 20 family. Your answer is going to have what? A 20. It's going to be a 20-something. It's going to be a 20-something. Maddie. It's going to be a 20-something. Maddie, did you write it?
It'll be 77.
Oh, I see. This was a hard one. Write it down. Write 24.
I was like, giving on this.
Okay, fill in those 2 blanks. Maddie? What number goes there? 24, 20. I gave you a clue because Ben and Olivia. I gave you a clue because we said we are in the 20 family, and so we have our 2s. So say it with me, class. 24, 20. What is it? 5. Keep counting. 26, 27. Wonderful. 27. That was a lot harder. That was a lot harder. Very good. Give yourself 2 points if you got that. Give yourself 2 points if you've got that. All right. Now, I have a question. What day is today? Riley, what day is today? What day is today? Today is Thursday. Boys and girls, the days of the week. Sing the days of the week with me again while you clear your desk. Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday.
clear your desk.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days.
there are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We are clearing our desk. We should have it cleared. Let's sing it one more time, and when we get done with it this time, all desks are cleared. No pencil boxes yet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. together. No, it's a matter of both of you. All right. So how many days are in our week? Oh, who can tell me? Class, tell me. How many days? 7 days. Wonderful. Get out your pencil box. We are going to do a work page together. You will need your crayons today. So your pencil box and your crayons. Raise your hand if you need something calling out. Kindergarten women. No, please do not put your little crayons in your pencil box. It will make it for a mess. There are too many of them. Keep them in your pouch. But you're going to need your pencil. Here we go. Put your name on your paper. We are going, yes, I'm trying a different spot for our video. Okay, and yes, I need a couple of our friends. Put your name on. Oh. Put your name on the paper. Our snack time is coming quickly. I hope we'll be ready. Olivia, you keep talking out. Julia, put your name on your paper quickly. Okay. You should have your crayons off. Rhett, is your name off? Rhett. And your red crayon is under your desk, Rhett. Okay, here we go. On our paper today, what do you see on our paper? Raise your hand. What do you see? Come on. Try it again. What do we see on our paper today? Here it comes. Our TV is waking up this morning. There it is. Eye check. What do we see on the paper today? Melody, what do you see on it?
I see brown, farmer brown, and cheddar mouse.
What did you see? I'm sorry, I was distracted.
I see Mrs. Brown, Farmer Brown, and Cheddar Mouse.
Ooh, she sees Mrs. Brown, Farmer Brown, and Cheddar Mouse. Wonderful. Riley, what do you see?
I see Cheddar Mouse and
Julia, you're not being polite. Riley, tell us again.
I see Cheddar Mouse eating cheese for his birthday.
He's eating cheese for his birthday. Gaius, what do you see?
Mrs. Brown walking to church with his left top.
Mrs. Brown walking to church?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay. Olivia, what do you see?
I see Mr. Brown. I'm helping the sheep.
Oh, what is he doing to the sheep?
Cutting his hair.
He's cutting the sheep's hair. It's called shearing. Say shearing.
I know what shearing is.
He is shearing the sheep. The sheep are getting a haircut. When their wool gets too fluffy and full, it gets heavy, and so that you have to shear it off and cut it off. It doesn't hurt them at all. Maddie, what do you see on the pictures?
I see someone shopping.
Farmer Brown is shopping. Ooh, he's at the feed store. Okay, what else do we see? Blake, what do you see?
I see Farmer Brown plowing.
He's plowing. He looks happy, doesn't he? He's whistling. Look at those music notes on there. Ben, what do you see?
I see Mrs. Brown shoveling to put flowers in the ground.
She's working in her garden, isn't she? And the one other picture, Mason, what is Mrs. Brown doing in that last picture? What's she doing? She's spraying something. What does that mean she's doing? The counter, which means she is doing what, class? She is cleaning. All right, listen carefully. You're going to need to follow some directions here. We just talked about all those pictures. Now, all right, Mrs. Brown is carrying a Bible to church. You see that picture of her? It's the first picture, okay? Mrs. Brown is carrying a Bible. She has a nice dress on, a hat, shoes. Okay. And we said Mrs. Brown is going to church, right? She is. Now, color at the bottom of the paper. Do you see the days of the week? Mrs. Brown's dress is what color? Blue. Come down to the days of the week and color Sunday blue. Which one is Sunday? Thank you, Lydia. The first one. Color Sunday. Lydia. Julia. Julia, you answered, right? Or Lydia? Okay. Color the Sunday blue. Okay? Color Sunday blue. You have your small crayons, so you should be able to stay in the box. If you go around and outline the box, it does make it easier. One of you told me that. It is very true. Okay. Color Sunday blue. Yes, Mason, I think it was you. When you have that done, take out a yellow crayon. Listening. Farmer Brown. We said Farmer Brown in the picture beside Mrs. Brown going to church. Farmer Brown is shearing the sheep. On Monday, he sheared, that's a yellowish green. Okay. Do you have another yellowy one that's not so green? Okay. Listening. Okay. So, Farmer Brown is shearing the sheep on Monday. What color is his shirt?
Yellow.
Yellow. Color Monday yellow. Find Monday and color it yellow. Which one is Monday? Oh, those of you who said second, I like how you use the one after Sunday. Yes, or we can say the second day. Monday is the second day of the week. Are you staying in the lines? Thank you. If you're staying in the lines, nice job. Those of you who are working quietly, oh, I hear some voices that are not working quite so quietly. When you're finished, take out a green crayon. Okay? So Mrs. Brown went to church on Sunday. Farmer Brown sheared the sheep on Monday. And on Tuesday, Cheddar Mouse had a party. He had a party.
Wait, a birthday party.
What color is Cheddar's hat, Lily?
Green.
Green. Would you color Tuesday green? Tuesday should be green.
And number 3.
And yes, it is number 3 in the days. Very good. It's the third day.
3. I said 3.
Several of you said 3, and that's good.
Third.
Are you staying in your lines? Are you staying in your lines? I love how I hear the diligent working going on. Listen to how quiet it is.
I didn't say the
That tells me you're doing such a nice job. You're thinking about what you should be doing. Wonderful. When you're finished, take out an orange crayon. An orange crayon.
That's probably because the sky is on.
No, not quite. So Mrs. Brown went to church on Sunday. Farmer Brown sheared the sheep on Monday. Cheddar Mouse had a party on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, what did Farmer Brown do?
Plow the field.
He plowed the field. What color is Farmer Brown's shirt?
Orange.
Orange. Color Wednesday, orange.
That's the 4th one.
Yes, it is. The 4th day of the week. I like how we're using the position words, first, second, third, fourth. That's very good. We will use those in a minute, yeah. Orange. Mine doesn't look real orange. It is orange, but it doesn't look very I'll color it more and more, and it'll look oranger. I'll keep putting orange on it.
Just keep doing it.
Then, thank you.
Doesn't look orange.
Is that looking more orange? screen doesn't, it's supposed to be orange. I'm sure yours is more orange than mine is. All right. So, after Wednesday, what did Mrs. Brown do? We're getting closer to the weekend. Lydia, what did Mrs. Brown do?
She's cleaning the table.
Yeah, she's cleaning. What color is her dress?
Purple.
Purple. Color Thursday, purple. Color Thursday, purple. You all are doing a fantabulous job. Thursday should be purple. Look on yours. If yours says violet, then that's the one to use. It should say violet. Yes, violet purple is okay.
There's a parenthesis and says purple.
Then it's a bluish purple color.
I got two purples. Use the one that says violet. This is violet. What is violet? I saw. But my other one's in my
All right, as long as it's close to purple, there is a blue violet. There might be a red violet, but you want to use the one that is violet, and it will say purple, and it will say violet both, okay?
It's violet purple.
Do the best. That is your purple. The end that has the name on it is broken off. Okay, very good. We're almost done. Look at the next picture. So Mrs. Brown cleaned on Thursday. We have 2 days left, don't we? What did Farmer Brown do on Friday? Mackenzie. What did Farmer Brown do on Friday?
Go shopping.
He went shopping. Guess where he went? He went to the feed store. The feed store is where he gets his food for his animals, and he gets the seeds.
On the farm?
He gets the seeds to plant in the ground. Yes, the feed store is where he went. What color is Farmer Brown's shirt?
Red.
Red. Color Friday, red. Friday is going to be red.
On Friday, my dad watches me, and he loves red. That is so weird.
That's awesome, Red.
My dad likes blue.
Okay.
My dad likes green. Yes, I like green.
Are you coloring? There's a lot of talking. There's a lot of talking. Then I see, let's see. I see Lydia's doing a nice job. I see Mason is doing a nice job. I see some of my friends are talking a lot. That's okay. If yours looks a little pink, it's okay. Red is the same thing. You might have a violet red. You might have an orange red. It's okay. Now, what day do we have left? Saturday. What did Mrs. Brown do on Saturday? The last picture.
She was gardening.
Maddie, what did she do?
We gardened.
She's gardening. What color is her dress? Brown. Color Saturday brown. Brown. Color Saturday brown. After you color Saturday brown, turn your paper over. Very good. Yes, ma'am. You may walk away. All right. When you have all the days colored, turn your paper over. All right. Turn your paper over. You're going to still need your crayons. If you hear my voice, put your hand on your head. If you hear my voice, hold up a blue crayon. If you hear my voice, hold up a blue crayon. Mackenzie and Olivia. And blue will say blue. It says blue. B-L-U-E is what it will say. Okay? Blue. Hold up a blue crayon.
Good day.
No, don't do that. That is a blue. You're good. A blue crayon. Now, let's look. We have another list of the weeks of the day. Days of the week. Weeks of the day. That's silly.
Weeks of the day.
Not blue.
Days of the day. In a week.
Days of the week. Let's read the instructions above the days of the week. Ready? Color the days of the week that you go to church. What days of the week do we go to church? Raise your hand if you know what day of the week you go to church. That's okay. Then you can listen and find out what others do. Okay? All right. If you don't, that's okay. If you do, raise your hand. What day do you go to church? Guys, what day do you go to?
Sunday.
He goes
I
on.
used to go on Sunday because of the COVID. Now
Yes.
I don't.
Yeah, because of the COVID thing.
We watch on TV.
Do you watch on TV on Sunday? Okay, so color
No,
Sunday.
I don't.
Color Sunday blue. Color Sunday blue.
What is Sunday?
Sunday is the first one. It's the one we start. Sunday, Monday. Oh, mine's a little too purple there. Even Mrs. Bassler gets confused on the colors. Color Sunday blue. Does anybody else go to church in the middle of the week?
I get on Saturday.
Okay, who goes on Saturday? Who is that?
Me. Olivia.
Olivia, you do? Okay, Olivia, if you would like, you may color Saturday if you go to church on Saturday. There are people who go to church on Saturday. Okay. All right. Does anybody go up to church in the middle of the week? Does anybody go to church in the middle of the week? I do.
Sometimes I go.
Mackenzie, do you on sometimes? On Wednesday, color Wednesday blue. Because Wednesday, some churches have church on Wednesday. Our church here has church on Wednesday. Okay. And when it's not COVID and stuff, we have a club for kids and stuff, but it's COVID, so we can't have it right now.
Saturday.
So, and Olivia, you said you go on Saturday.
I go on Saturdays.
Some of you do go on Saturday. If you go, if not, well, you don't go every day of the week. If you go on Saturday, you may color Saturday blue. If you don't go on Saturday, just leave it. Okay, but if you do, you may color Saturday. Okay, now choose your favorite color, but not blue, and color your favorite day of the week. Well, if your favorite color is blue, can you use a different blue? Can you use a different blue for your favorite day?
Actually, my favorite day is already colored.
Is it already colored? If your favorite day is already colored, outline it in a different color. Okay? Say if my favorite day was Wednesday, I would use a pink, and I would go around Wednesday, and I would go
around Saturday.
Well, if your day is not colored, if your favorite day of the week is not colored, then you can just color. But if your favorite day is colored, then go around it with a different color to say that it's your favorite day. Choose one. You have to choose one favorite color and one day of the week that's your favorite.
I only have one favorite
The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday's the weekend. No, yours isn't. Yours isn't. Okay? When you're done, get your pencil out. Because our sentence says, and it goes along with our song that we sing every day, complete the sentence. There are days in a week. How many days? There are 7 days. Can you fill in the 7? Use your pencil. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you should fill in your 7 with your pencil. That's okay. With your set. All right? Now, did everyone get that? Is everybody with me? Arby, wonderful. Turn your 7 around. Oh, do you have all those favorite days?
Yeah.
Wow.
And these ones are off. These ones are my favorite.
You love every day, huh?
No, except for this one and this one.
Turn your
No,
7.
my dad wanted me and I
Red.
don't really like my dad.
Red. Turn your 7 around. You see? Oh, wait. You have it right. Never mind. What am I thinking? Did I make my 7 backwards?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. Oh, my head's turning around today. Okay. Now, look at that big box. Look at that big box. Have a seat.
I don't like toys.
Look at the big box, okay? Write 7 in. I'll tell you that later. All right. Now, raise your hand if you know what a chore is. If you know what the word chore means, chore, raise your hand. Joshua, what does chore mean? What's a chore? Do you need some help?
Yes.
Ben, what's a chore?
It's something that you do.
It's something you do. Julia, what's a chore?
It's cleaning the house.
Oh, cleaning the house. Blake, what's a chore?
It's doing the laundry.
Doing the laundry. Olivia?
Helping your mom and dad clean.
Helping your mom and dad clean. Lydia?
A chore is something that you do every day to help your mommy and daddy.
Yes, to be a part of your family, right? How many of you have a chore at home that you do every day or almost every day? Raise your hand. Okay? In the box with your pencil, draw a picture of you doing that chore. Can you draw a picture of you doing your chore? If with your pen, use your pencil to draw the picture of you doing your chore.
Yeah, you can
That's-
color it with your crayons.
Well, after you draw it, you may color it with your crayons. Draw a picture of you doing your chore. Okay? Let's not talk. Okay? We're going to take a couple minutes. Draw a picture of you doing your chore. I'm going to draw a picture of a chore that I had to do when I was a child. And I still do it sometimes. Especially now because it's fall.
Probably cleaning the leaves. Or rake the leaves.
How did you guess?
Because you said it's fall.
It's in the fall, yes.
Yeah. Miss Besser, you know what I did?
What did you do?
I drawn myself playing.
Did you?
Yes,
Is playing a chore?
No.
Playing's
Maybe
not.
even did it every day. Maybe even play.
Well, playing isn't really a chore, though.
How did you? Oh, that's a tree. That's a tree. That's enough. Miss Bastion.
Oh.
I was late today because I had to take pictures.
That is wonderful. I'm glad you're here. Have it. Put your things away. Go ahead. Put your things away. We are drawing a picture of ourselves doing a chore. Christian, do you know what a chore is?
Yeah.
Someone, let's raise your hand if you can tell him. Melody, tell Christian, what is a chore?
It's a chore. A chore is something that you help with. No.
It's a job that you help with at home, all right? It means that you are part of a family, right? And so you help. Look, what am I doing?
Breaking.
I'm breaking leaves.
That's my chore.
That's pretty good, right? I need to put hair on me. Let's put hair. There we go. Do the best you can. Get your pencil out and your crayons. Get your crayons and your pencil out. All right? Quickly, you're drawing your chore with your pencil. Okay? We have one more thing, and we are about to be at snack time whenever they come. All right? So, I tell you what No, you're here before Smith. Kindergarten, I'd like you to put your pencil down a minute. We will finish our picture in just a moment. Look at the very bottom. When we finish this, you can work on your picture until the donuts come, all right? So look at the bottom. What do you see at the very bottom of the page? Ooh, what are they, guys? They are, listen to my story. Don't worry about this right now. We're going to do down here. Jonathan had 3 blue marbles. Do you see his 3 blue marbles? Write 3 in the blank underneath the marbles. Okay, donuts are here. Wonderful. Okay, put your pencil down and quietly.
All he has is glazed.
Okay, all he has is glazed, all right? If you got a donut, we will